Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a new How to Thursday episode. Today we're going to learn how to do a variation between a bear crawl and a push-up. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and get right into this. For our starting position, we're going to need to get on the ground into a tabletop form, which is going to be hands stacked directly below our shoulders, knees are stacked directly below the hips, and we are going to inhale and raise our knees off the ground. Our core is nice and engaged, and this is our starting position. We're going to walk our hands forward. We're in a high plank form, and we're going to drop in for our push-up. Inhaling through our nose on the way down, exhaling through our mouth on the way up, and then we walk our legs up, returning to our bear crawl. Then we repeat, moving our arms forward, returning to that high plank before inhaling through your nose to drop down and exhaling through your mouth to get back up. Again, that is just a couple variations or a couple repetition of this variation. Let's go ahead and do a couple of those back to back to see again how they flow together. We're going to get back into that tabletop, which is going to be hands stacked directly below our shoulders. Again, knees are directly below our hips, and we're going to inhale through our nose, engage our abdomen, and we're going to send our knees up. Again, this is our starting position. We're going to walk our arms forward. We're going to inhale through our nose as we drop down, and we're going to exhale through our mouth to press up before walking our feet up back into that bear crawl. Walk our hands forward. Inhale to drop. Exhale, come up. And again, we repeat, bringing our legs back into that bear crawl before we go back into another push-up. And we bring those legs back up. And that, my friends, is how you perform this variation of a bear crawl and a push-up. If you learned something new, smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.